Mastic Asphalt ramp here has been coated over with what looks like an old Kemper system, been down in the excess of 10 to 15 years. We've got some movement here, obviously we've got some patch repairs, we've got some flash band taken into strips, we've got some 2mm torch-on felt added, we've got the expansion joint which is obviously being strapped and covered over. We've got the movement obviously for the expansion joint there. You can see the movement there, just the raise where it's creased up where there's been movement. And also we've got flash band in here as a temporary repair. Obviously not been primed, so obviously that's going to just obviously debond because we've got negative laps there. Moving over to the sides on the raised area, so we've got Mastic Asphalt with single double fillet underneath, and obviously this Kemper system's been put over this. Is obviously failing. That's obviously where cars are obviously up and down the ramp and the tyres are just scraping along the sides of the curb, hence the reason why you can sort of see that the actual system itself has failed.